here it is once more in summary. 64 megapixel quad camera Pro. That's the Redmi Note 9 Pro. You've seen the Pro, and a couple of weeks ago, you've also seen the 9S. There's one more member of the family that's missing. Everyone, why don't we all welcome the global debut of Redmi Note 9. Redmi Note 9 is a best-in-class mid-range hotshot. It's for those who want an incredible everyday smartphone with great camera, great battery, and great performance. Hotshot design, let's start. Redmi Note 9 comes with a 6.53-inch dot display. And it's a small dot after all. So with this small dot display, you get more immersive gaming experience. And to sum it up, Redmi Note 9 has an awesome 6.53-inch dot display, and it's also certified by TÜV Rheinland for low blue light certification. So at the back, it comes with a sleek and stylish symmetrical design, and a rear fingerprint sensor that seamlessly blends to the back design. Redmi Note comes in 3 colors. Forest green. It features a unique glossy finish. Next. We look at the polar white. You have minimalistic and simple design. And the classic midnight gray. So Redmi Note 9 definitely has a hotshot design, and we've just seen it. You have 3 reasons why it has a hotshot design. You have a 6.53-inch dot display, attractive colors, and it's built to last. Next, hotshot camera. Redmi Note 9 is the 48-megapixel quad camera hotshot. We have 48-megapixel main camera, ultra-wide angle, macro, and depth sensor. So the 48 main camera shoots ultra-clear photos during the day and even at night. Here we could see that each neon sign is easily readable and it's not overexposed. Next, we see the bigger picture with the ultra-wide angle camera. So this is shot on Redmi Note 9. It's absolutely astounding. And you're able to capture the full view. Next, depth sensor for great portraits. So here we could see that the edge detection is absolutely phenomenal. And the bokeh is flawless and smooth. So finally, we have the macro mode. You're able to capture tiny details. Here you can see that even at such close range, details are preserved with precision. So with the Redmi Note 9, you effortlessly capture your hotshots. Redmi Note 9 includes a document scanner as well that serves as a handy pocket scanner. What this does is, at times when you're taking photos of books or documents, a shadow is cast on the photo, which is pretty irritating. So the document scanner solves this problem. So what this does is it automatically removes the shadows and optimizes the images. So it's as easy as 1, 2, 3, and you're done. So in front, we have the Redmi Note 9 13-megapixel in-display front camera for hotshot selfies. Redmi Note 9 is your hotshot camera, and here are 3 reasons why. You get 48-megapixel high-res camera. You also have quad camera for any situation, and a great selfie camera. And what's also good is that you get similar features as the Redmi Note 9 Pro, such as cinematic portraits, movie frame, and kaleidoscope. I'm really excited for you to try it out. Next, hotshot performance. Redmi Note 9 is the first phone to be powered by the Helio G85, and it's made for everyday mobile gamers. It comprises of 2 performance-driven cores up to 2 gigahertz and 6 power efficiency cores, so your phone is always ready. And last year, we launched a Redmi Note 8, and it's leading the pack in the mid-range segment, obtaining an Antutu score of almost 170,000. And this time, Redmi Note 9 is even better, with up to 21% increase in performance. We ran it up against some of the popular smart competitors, and we could see that it clearly outperforms by a huge margin. Redmi Note 9 also comes with a huge battery that'll easily last you for more than 2 days of use. Some people like to describe this as insane battery life. So you get 11 hours of gaming, 17 hours of video playback, 7 hours of video recording. It's truly a battery powerhouse. And to top it off, Redmi Note 9 also includes 18-watt fast charging, and the fast charger is also included in box. So NFC support will be available for selected markets. And essential features such as headphone jack, nano coding, 2+1 SIM slots, and IR blaster are all included on the Redmi Note 9 because we know our fans love it. Redmi Note 9 gives you a hotshot experience, and here are 3 reasons why. You have awesome performance with a Helio G85. You have long-lasting battery life and fan-favorite features like headphone jack. So if you want a phone that gets the job done, you go with the Redmi Note 9. You have 48-megapixel quad camera. You have hotshot dot display and symmetrical design. You also have hotshot performance with Helio G85, hotshot battery, and charging. Redmi Note 9 is a hotshot for you. You have hotshot design, hotshot camera, hotshot experiences. Definitely, price is also hotshot. Competitor prices starts at $369. So how much will the Redmi Note 9 cost? So for the 3 plus 64 variant, the recommended retail price is $199. Thank you. A hotshot phone with such great value. And for the 4 plus 128 variant, the recommended retail price is $249. Again, Xiaomi did it again, providing our fans with only amazing products at honest prices. Prices for different markets may vary due to VAT, taxes, and other factors. Your 48 quad camera hotshot. So Redmi Note 9 and Redmi Note 9 Pro will be available starting mid-May. So stay tuned.